Hello guys, welcome to my channel and you are watching Developer Decks and I am Sakshi Pathak. In previous video we learned about the variables, how we assign the variable, how we delete the variable, and in this video we will learn about data types and numbers. So let's go through. I made a file named datatype.py. So let's go through what is data type. Every value has a data type and variable can hold values. Python is powerfully composed language. We don't have to categorize the sort of variable while announcing it. The interpreter binds the value implicitly to its type. Variable can store data of different types and different types can do different things, like string can store letters and alphabet, and store integers, list, tuple, and arrays. We will go through in our upcoming videos. Like boolean can store true or false, and float can store decimal values. These are the data types. Text type include string, numeric types int, float, complex, sequence type list, tuple, range, mapping type dictionary, set type set and frozen set, boolean type bool, and binary types bit array, and memory view, none type. So now let's go through numbers. Stored in numbers means whole number, float number, and complex number. Numeric values are stored in numbers. The whole number, float, and complex qualities have a place with the Python numbers data type. So let's go through example. We'll take a variable in value 10 and then we will print it only prints 10, and there's a function type. Python offers the type function to determine a variable data types. Means if we print type A, then it will print int. Same with the float and complex number. If we put a decimal value and print type B, then it will print class float. And same with the complex, if we put any complex number and print type the variable, it will print class complex. So let's go through strings. In previous video and recent video also, I already told you about the strings. Strings are sequence of characters or letters in quotation marks, means in double quotation or single quotation also. Let's go through example. I took a variable intro and then put the value of string in double quotation marks. My name is Sakshi Pathak, and then print intro. It simply print my name is Sakshi, and then I print the type of intro. Then it will obviously print str, means string. So let's learn about multi-line strings. I took a variable a and then I write a sentence or a paragraph. If I want, today we are learning about data types. In bottom line it will throw error because in double quotation we cannot write like this. There is a multi-line string, so we can use a multi-line string. Multi-line strings can be handy when you have a very long string. You should not keep such text in a single line. It kills the readability of our code, as you can see in the video. And after putting the multi-line string and will print the variable, it will print the same as it is in multi-line string. Let's go through another example of string. We took a value of b is equals to Python, and if I want to print only p of Python, then I will type print b and in square bracket 0. In Python Indexing refers to the process of accessing a specific element in a sequence, such as a string or list, using its position or index number. Indexing in Python starts at 0. If I want to print p, then I will put 0 because p indicates 0 index, y indicates 1 index, and then t indicates a second index. For example, if you have a string hello, you can access the first letter of h using index 0 by using the square bracket notation string bracket and 0. And if I want to print python of p y t h, then I will put print b square bracket from 0 index to 4th index. Then it will access the starting 4th element from 0 index to 3rd index, means 0 1 2 3 means 4 values of the variable. It will not print the 4th index because it can only access 4 elements, means 0 index to 3rd index. It will not include 4. Then I will, if I want to print 0 index to 5th index, it means it can access only 4 elements, 0 1 2 3 4, not 5th. Let's take another variable c with the value java. And if I have to combine the b variable and c variable, then I can print b plus c and it will print python java. And if I want to double the value of b, then I will print b into 2, then it will print python. So let's go through random numbers. Means if I want to import a random numbers, means any random number, whenever I will click run, it will give me a random number. Then if I have to import random, print random dot rand range. And whenever I will click run, it will give me a random number. As you can see, fern, then I will click again 4, and then I click again, it gives me a random number. This rand range function returns a randomly selected element from the specific range, means I selected 1 to 10, so it gave me between the 1 to 10 random number. Next, if I want to change an integer number into float number, and if I want a float number to integer, and then if I want to change complex number into integer number, then I will do x is equal to float 2, then it will print as 2.0. And if you want to change the integer value into complex number, then it will print x is equal to complex and any number you want to put into bracket, then it will change from integer to complex number. As you know, complex number is a combination of a real number and an imaginary number. Same as a float, if we want float number into integer, then int 8.9, then it will print only 8, means integer value. So this is the end of the data type topic, and today we learned about so many things, means about integer, float, complex number, and how to print and how to change integer value to a float value, or and how many types of data types there, and about multi-line string. And in upcoming videos we will learn about string. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me on comments, I will surely reply.